Solve for x. Leave your answer in exact terms. What we have right now, we have one single logarithm, but there's kind of a mess around it. This is the natural log, ln, which means we're going to use base e as we work through this question here. Let's get rid of everything that is outside of that log. Let's minus off the 3 and divide away the 5 that is in the very front. So I minus both sides by 3. I'm going to get negative 10 on that right side. 5 ln 5x plus 1 equals negative 10. Divide by 5 on both sides. Ln 5x plus 1 equals negative 10. Divided by 5 would be negative 2. Okay, in order to get rid of this log, I need to use whatever its base is as the base of both sides of the equation. This is natural log, so that means I'm going to use a base e on both sides. So I'm going to exponentiate with an e. Remember that e is just like pi, it's some random decimal number. All right, e and ln cancel each other out. They are built that way. 5x plus 1 is left over. E to the negative 2. If you try to throw that into a calculator, you're going to get some ugly decimal, so forget it. Don't worry about the decimal. Just leave it as e to the negative 2. Who cares what it is? We're supposed to write our answer in exact terms, no decimals. Solving for x, I have a plus 1 to get rid of and a times 5 to get rid of. If I follow those generic steps, I'm going to minus the 1 to the other side. I don't really know what the answer is, but I don't care because we're going to leave it alone anyway. Divide both sides by 5, and now this is kind of an awkward step because if I'm going to divide both sides by 5, I'm dividing this entire side by 5, not one single piece, all of it. If I were to write that answer in exact terms, it would be literally what you have written right there. Your answer would be x equals e to the negative 2 minus 1 all over 5. That would be simplest terms.